Top 5 businesses you can do that will literally make you over 500k, which is $1,000 per month. Number 1 is affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Simply is the business whereby you sell other people's products, either data products or physical products, and you earn a commission for doing so. Now, it is one of the most trending businesses right now. Number 2 is information marketing. Information marketing is where you sell what you already know, which is super valuable to people, to them, and you make money from selling what you already know. Take for example, if you know how to make a specific kind of dish that's going to help people lose weight, you can teach people those things and they will pay you just to learn. 3 is job servicing. Job servicing is actually a business model where you get a business to hire you to perform a task or a skill, and you hire someone else to actually perform that task and skill, but you charge more than the money the original person that's going to carry out the skill is going to charge. Take for example, you have somebody that's going to charge $1,000 for creating a website. You are going to charge the business owner probably $1,500 or $2,000, and you pocket the difference as your own. Number 4 is closing. Closing is literally helping somebody to make a sale. Now, if you can help a lot of people to make a sale or to literally buy something, you've actually closed them. This is one of the most important skills right now in the world of digital marketing. Number 5 is freelancing. Freelancing is literally you performing a particular service or skill for business owners, and you can work from home or wherever you choose to work from. And by the way, you're working for yourself. You can freelance skills like web design, graphics design, email marketing, so on and so forth.